Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. Today I have the 1993 Zippo Collectible of the Year. This is the tin that it comes in. The Varga Girl 1935. And you see the Varga look. Illustrator Alberto Vargas, who created the Varga Girl series, was famous for his beautiful renderings of pinup girls. His work became very popular with the servicemen during World War II. George G. Blaisdell, founder of the Zippo Manufacturing Company, was fascinated with the Varga series, so much so that he used the Varga Girl for his own advertising. The advertising conveyed the windproof concept, and the Zippo Girl was named Windy. This later was produced as a remembrance of those years. And there she is, Windy, 1935 Varga Girl. I bought this one used. It comes with the original paper. It's actually a nice lighter, even though it's full of my fingerprints. Has that nice click. Very good click. Zippo actually patented that sound, the Zippo click. If it focuses, you'll see it's got a matching insert. Can't really tell very well though. Like I said, it was used. It's got what's called the reverse stamp. So let's turn this around here and get a better look. Focus. Here we go. DXI. April 1989. And I've got this little card to show you all the little differences throughout the years. And XI, oh, I'm sorry, 93, not 98. What am I thinking? See, 1993, A through L, XI. And this is the 1993 Collectible of the Year. I only paid 50 bucks for the lighter and the tin all together, so I don't think it's that bad of a deal. But I figure I just want to show you this. It's a very nice lighter. If you're able to get one, I was lucky enough to have mine come with the original paperwork as well. Which is kind of cool. Please read all directions and cautions carefully. Full lifetime warranty. Different languages. And for 1993, this is almost a 30-year-old lighter. 29-year-old lighter right now as it stands. So, hope you like it. I like it. It's a nice little addition to my collection. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.